Living in the moment. I don't think too much about the future, I don't think too much about the past, and I just live in the moment, and I love being myself.
You should really focus on your college life, because in life, no matter what you do, every day, give your 100%, because
nothing is happening in my life. I'm like, for me, I say yes to everything. I say yes to every opportunity that comes my way. Then why am I not flying? It is so frustrating, but I
wish all of us to be parents like my dad, because I got inspired from him. Learn from your mistakes. Don't just let mistakes happen and then, they'll happen again because you're not learning. So learn. And this is what I became today. I would not have become this person if I did not have a person like my dad in my life, right? This life that you're living right now, your college life, this life is your most important period. You should really focus on your college life, because what I did is I missed out on my college years because I was very busy practicing kickboxing and karate and mixed martial arts. I had no time. My college was 2 hours away from where I used to live. I am not really from proper Bombay. I am from this place called Kalyan, which is sort of at the outskirts of Bombay. So I used to travel 2 hours for my college, but I had no time because I had to focus more on my sports. That was my first priority always. So I missed out on my college days. I did not go for college festivals. I did not have a group of friends. All these groupies, homies. I didn't have no homies. I was alone, and I had only one best friend, and that's it. That's my college life, and I really feel sad that I missed out on it.
What glamorous, Baba? I am myself. I'm just a young girl living my life, living in the moment. I don't think too much about the future, I don't think too much about the past, and I just live in the moment, and I love being myself. I love my own company. That's my biggest strength.
Okay. At my best game is my father, because since I was a little child, I always saw him doing push-ups, always working out, waking up early, going back to bed on time, eating the right kind of food. So that's how I grew up. Now, I would request you all of you, because we are all young people, we form India today, right? We are India's superpower. So for me and for you all, I wish all of us to be parents like my dad, because I got inspired from him, and this is what I became today. I would not have become this person if I did not have a person like my dad in my life, right? So we all need to be that person in our children's life. I know I'm talking like a mother right now, okay? But I'm just thinking of the future. Like, already hum logon ki jo life expectancy hai, all of us, I think we're going to die pretty soon because of the environment that we live in, the lifestyle that we lead these days, our phones, mobile phone radiations, our sleeping schedules, our eating habits. Everything is messed up, to be very honest. Like, I have a very messed up sleeping schedule myself because of how the film industry works. We have night shoots, day shoots, we shoot whenever. So I also have a very messed up sleeping schedule. But what we can do from our side is stay fit. Now you'll say, yeah, do not fall for bad things. I know our age, 22, 23, 21, we get attracted towards things that are sort of negative, towards negative people who try to be very smart and play with us. I've been played many times, yeah. I've been played a lot. But I'm learning. I still am played with every day, but I learn from my experiences. That's what's the most important thing in life. Learn from your mistakes. Don't just let mistakes happen and then, they'll happen again because you're not learning. So learn. And
so I feel like we become so obsessed with flying and being up in the air all the time that we forget that we run out of fuel sometimes. I feel like my airplane doesn't have fuel anymore, needs maintenance. I need to clean my aircraft. So I realized when I was going back home from the club, I realized, my aircraft is on the ground right now, and it's not going to stay there forever. It is my time to work on my aircraft. It is my time to clean my aircraft, maintain the machinery, the equipments, refill the fuel, and then get ready to take another flight. That's just how it's going to be. So I'm sure we all are kind of in that phase sometimes, when we feel like nothing is happening in my life. I'm like, for me, I say yes to everything. I say yes to every opportunity that comes my way. Then why am I not flying? It is so frustrating, but I don't realize that I can't be flying all the time. It is really good when you get time to come back down, work on yourself, and then fly stronger and more powerful, right? So when you think that I'm not doing anything, this is so stagnant and I'm not moving, you're not stagnant. It's your time to prepare yourself. Like see, today if I say take a flight from Bombay to Hyderabad, I can do it easy, my aircraft can go from Bombay to Hyderabad easy. But if I tell myself take a flight from Bombay to USA, I can't. Because I'm not ready. I don't have enough fuel in my aircraft to fly to the USA, right? So I need to prepare myself so well that later in life, when I get an opportunity to fly to the USA, I should be like, yeah, easy bro, I can fly to the USA. Easy, I'm ready. Right now, I'm not ready. And now is my time to prepare. So never ever think that if your life is stagnant, you're not going anywhere. You will go, but you have to first get yourself ready, right?
If you have something in life that you really, really like, if you have a special talent, or if your heart is into something else, I will not say that completely neglect studies. Do not ever neglect studies. I'm a graduate, yo. Okay? Don't neglect studies. But then focus on what you're really, really good at. And make that your strong point. Because that's what I did as well. And I also believe that in life, no matter what you do, every day, give your 100%. Because you never know what's coming for you. You never know what's the next step, right? I don't know how Iriti Chitru came to me. Maddie sir saw me fighting. I wasn't even aware that he's looking at me. I just gave my best shot. And he's like, who's this girl? She's good. And I'm like, okay. So I'm doing a film. I was very happy. So that's how it happened.